Good evening. The last product, and once again, my name is Sandra Battle. I am a CTE teacher at Transit Tech High School. The last Apple accessibility product that I will be reviewing tonight will be an app that's called, let me jog my memory. Sorry about that. You're going to click on accessibility, spoken content. So how you get to spoken content, I'm going to X this back out. You're going to click on the Apple icon. You're going to go to System Preferences. You're going to scroll down to Accessibility. And you're going to click on Spoken Content. When playing with spoken content, I think this is a wonderful application for students who may have not necessarily blind, because they won't be able to see the keys. But I would say any person who may have a strong vision disability where they won't be able to see the keys, but if they had keys with braille on it, they're able to hear what keys that they're pressing. So I like this app because you could change the voice of each person that you would like to use. So let's click on Ava, see how she sounds.
Hello, my name is Ava. I am an American English voice.
So Ava sounds okay, but she sounds a little bit boring. Let me try another person. Let's try Victoria.
Isn't it nice to have a computer that will talk to you?
Maybe not Victoria. Let's try Fred.
I sure like being inside this fancy computer.
So I don't like the robotic voices, so let's try back with Ava. That's probably the better voice I heard so far. You can also try other customized voices. Currently they're being downloaded, so I'm not going to wait for the meantime. I'm going, for the meantime, try Ava, because she's currently available. So the function that we're going to be playing with today is going to be called the Speak Type Feedback. Once again, I want to cater to my students within my school who may have a vision disability where they're not blind per se, but they may want to hear the keys that they're typing because they have strong hearing, and they may have keys where they have braille where they be able to type the words that they're actually, and they can listen to them at the same time. So we're going to click the option Speak Type and Feedback. You can click Echo Characters, Echo Words, Echo Selection Changes, Echo Modifier Keys. I'm not going to do all that because that's a bit extra. So I'm going to click Cancel to keep the current selections. So I'm going to go try something on Google. Well, not Google because this is Mac, so I'll try Safari. So I'm going to go to Safari, click on Google, and then I'm going to type up some characters.
J.
Let me make it a little bit louder.
J. J. I. M. M. Y. Jimmy. C. A. R. T. E.
As you
R.
see, when I'm typing the characters, I am also able to hear the characters that I'm typing. So I think this is an amazing tool for students that have a strong vision disability or other impairments that they need to listen while they're typing the words. Highly recommend this tool, and as you can see, it does work. Plan to use this probably in my next tech class for any students with vision disability.